Unfortunately, on January 24th, I thought I was free, but my nightmare was just beginning. On this night, he went to court that morning for the battery charge. And so in his mind, this was the day he was going to set out to kill me. But what he told me, the calls started coming like 1:30 or so in the morning, calling over and over and over again. And I kept ignoring them. You can't be calling me. And I answered, what do you want? Stop calling me. He said, he was crying in my area and doing all he could to meet me for a minute. He said, if I could just have 2 moments of your time, I'll never bother you again. He was doing all he could. He was literally hysterical and just, please, we need this. After 2 years, yada, yada. I mean, it was so pathetic and manipulative. And there are 2 pieces of advice that I hope that you'll take all of your life. One of them I'm sure you already know, but it's a really good reminder. And that is that you'll always listen to your intuition.